I'm Mike with Texas Air Doctors. Today we're out cleaning out a dryer vent that is a little too long than what it should be. It should have a exhaust vent installed on it, and we're going to go ahead and run a line down it that will blow all the trash out of it. We went ahead and blew the dryer vent out, and then we started it, and to make sure that it is running, you can tell that it is running because it is blowing the flap open. We got good airflow coming out of it now. If you close the flap and hold it down, you can hear the air trying to rush out around the cracks. So this dryer vent is now clean.